Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Filecoin. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price and the Filecoin broke down support of a descending triangle on the daily time frame chart, and after that, it was gearing up from a very long-term support zone. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, you can see that once again it is dropping down, moving down towards this support zone. By the way, it's a very long-term support zone. Starts from $3.20 and goes to $2.68. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, it is working as a very, very nice strong support zone. And whenever the price line is moving inside this support zone or touching or testing this support zone, we are watching a very, very massive reversals like it was happening here, happening here as well, and here. Now again, the price line is gearing up after testing this support zone. That starts from $3.20 and goes to $2.08. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel, and we will also take a look at this very, very massive and huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for SCI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this signal I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days it was moving inside this descending triangle. And by the way, at the triangle support, we had a very long-term support zone that starts from $5 and goes to $6, $4.60. And the bottom of the support zone was also working as a support for this triangle. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this zone has been working as a resistance zone here, support zone here, resistance here, and support here for several weeks a month. Therefore, now it can again work as a very, very strong resistance because we have broken it down once again. However, now we are testing this very significant support zone that starts from $3.20 and goes to $2.68. And if you take a look at the technical target, by the way, from this triangle for this breakdown, then technical target for this breakdown was here, approximately at $3.29. And you can see that the price then moved beyond that target, even more than that expected target. But now it is pumped very well, bounced very well, but still moving at this support zone. And if the price then starts another reversal, then first we will need to break out this resistance zone from $4.60 to $5. Then I'm expecting that soon we can also hit the target for the breakout from this previous down channel as well. You can see that recently we broke out this channel, but the price line was rejected by this long-term resistance of $8.12. That was recently breaking as a resistance here, support here, and again broke as a very strong resistance for the price line of Filecoin. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $11.40. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance. If you take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that this $11.40 has been recently working as a resistance here for a few weeks. And before that was working as a resistance here as well. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move still due. That target is here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.